Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and play 1 versus 1 in Gang Beasts on Xbox console. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So to do so, it's a very easy process. All you have to do is first of all access your Gang Beasts on your computer and have it connected with your Xbox console controller. Once you have done so, all you have to do is once you have accessed your game, you simply have access the lobby of your game, and here in this section, first of all, you have to choose a custom aka private lobby. For that, all you have to do is tap Y on your controller. Once you have done so, you will be able to choose between the custom aka the private and the public lobby. Go ahead, choose a custom public private lobby, and then you will simply be able to add your friends and play 1 versus 1 privately without anyone else joining you. And for that, your friends also have to be on the same lobby as you. Once you have tapped on Y and create yourself a private lobby, tap on X and simply invite your friends and start playing 1 versus 1 right there on your Gang Beasts on Xbox, and you're good to go. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.